It's not about cars. It's about control, memory, identity, and something wired deep into your brain. Ever wonder why some people can't resist restoring old cars? Let me show you why. Picture this, a quiet garage. The world outside is chaotic, buzzing with notifications and deadlines. But here, a machine from 1987 waits. No screens, no updates, just metal that responds exactly as it should. You tighten a bolt, click, the engine responds. You breathe, you're still here, you're still capable. Ever wonder why some people are drawn specifically to 1980s classics? It's not just nostalgia. Those cars carry memories of first freedom, first independence, first dreams. Restoring one isn't about metal. It's about reclaiming a version of yourself that once felt unstoppable. I once met a man named Tom who spent 3 years restoring his first car, a 1985 Camaro. He told me it's like bringing a part of my youth back, the part that believed anything was possible. That's the human side, a quiet yearning to reconnect with our past selves. And here's the weird part science can explain, why your brain loves this. Focused effort rewires it through neuroplasticity. Every piece you repair, every engine part you reconnect, strengthens circuits for patience, skill, and mastery. Small successes release dopamine, not the frantic kind from endless scrolling, but slow, earned dopamine that makes you feel grounded. Think evolution. Early humans survived by repairing and maintaining their environment. The person who could mend tools or build shelter made the tribe stronger. That wiring hasn't disappeared. Today, it's a classic car. Back then, it was stone and wood. Same brain, same reward system. Life didn't always follow the plan. Careers shifted, relationships faltered. The world moved faster than we could keep up. That's cognitive dissonance, the stress of reality clashing with expectation. And in comes the car. It doesn't argue, it waits. It responds to effort, not mood swings. That's comforting. That's healing. And here's the part you probably never noticed, why this small effort feels essential. Ever felt emotional watching an engine roar to life? That's your brain responding. Your vagus nerve calms, your stress system resets, your body tells you, you're okay, you're still capable. Just imagine tightening a bolt, cleaning chrome, aligning a wheel. Click, shine, repeat. Each micro action gives a little reward. You feel it, you notice it, you're in control. Loving old cars in a disposable world is a subtle rebellion. It says, I don't throw away what still has life. And maybe it's not just the cars. Maybe it's parts of yourself. Damaged, forgotten, outdated, still repairable. Every sanded panel, every polished surface, every engine part clicking back into place mirrors what you've done and can do inside. So no, this isn't about cars. It's about reclaiming control in a world that feels out of control. It's about reconnecting with mastery, patience, and meaning. And maybe, just maybe, the real restoration isn't sitting in the garage. Maybe it's happening inside you. Ever find yourself obsessing over a small detail and feeling a strange satisfaction? That's not a quirk. That's you activating ancient wiring that kept humans alive. It's not just mechanical, it's psychological, it's evolutionary, and it's profoundly human. The next time you watch someone lovingly restore a car, don't just see a hobby, see patience, focus, memory, and quiet rebellion. See someone repairing more than metal. See someone repairing themselves. And here's the final cinematic thought. Restoring a car isn't just history. It's proof you can restore anything, even yourself.